Welcome back to the boringest channel on YouTube. Today I'm cooking these Kentucky Legend Smokemaster's finest beef hot dogs. There's the other side. There's a little bit of a detailed view. And I'm going to be cooking these in the oven. I actually have some bacon cooking over here. That's what that noise is. I just cut it open. I've never had these. This is a first time try for me. These are new. Just gonna get one out of the package here. Show you what it looks like. If it'll focus. Focus on the hot dog. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh. Come on, focus. Focus. Okay, so they're spaced semi-evenly. They smell really good. I can smell it on my fingers too. You ever touch some really good meat and then sniff your fingers afterwards? There's the hot dog water. And with one hand filming and one hand loading into the oven, I'm going to carefully slide these in here without getting burned. Leave them for about 10 minutes and check on them. Almost forgot to mention it's about 360 in there. Here's how they're doing after 10 minutes. They're sweating in there. Cooking along fine though. Oh mama. Oh, those are looking good. Oh, listen to them sizzle. After about 20 minutes, 22 minutes roughly, at about, where are we at? 370, 365. I'd like to say that those are done cooking. Alright, so here's the finished product. All done cooking. I'm gonna let them rest for about 5 minutes here, maybe 3 minutes. These look delicious. Don't those look good? It doesn't look like they split this time either. As you can see, that's where the seam is. I don't think we had any splitters. Oh man, look at that. If you could smell what it smells like in here. Alright, I just cut it open. There's what it looks like inside. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna try it. They're still pretty hot. These hot dogs have a great consistency. They're nice and firm. You can chew them up. They're not flimsy at all. And you can really taste the smoke flavor in them too. This is probably one of the best hot dogs I've ever tried. Kentucky Legend Smokemasters. Definitely recommend. I bet these would taste awesome on the grill. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.